How AI is making healthcare better. 10 amazing examples. Number 1. Enhanced diagnosis and early detection. AI can analyze vast amounts of medical data to detect subtle patterns invisible to the human eye. This leads to earlier and more accurate diagnoses of diseases, improving treatment outcomes. Number 2. Personalized treatment plans. AI algorithms can process patient data, medical history, and genetic information to create tailored treatment plans. This precision medicine approach maximizes effectiveness and reduces unnecessary side effects. Number 3. Robot-assisted surgery. AI-powered robots offer increased precision and dexterity in surgical procedures. This minimizes invasiveness, speeds up recovery times, and reduces potential complications. Number 4. Drug development and discovery. AI speeds up drug development by analyzing massive data sets to identify potential drug candidates and predict their effectiveness. This can bring new treatments to patients faster. Number 5. Virtual health assistants. AI-powered chatbots act as virtual assistants, answering patient questions, providing basic medical advice, and even triaging symptoms to direct patients to the right care. Number 6. Administrative task automation. AI streamlines tasks like scheduling, insurance claims processing, and report generation, freeing up healthcare workers to focus on patient care. Number 7. Improved clinical decision support. AI systems provide real-time information and insights to doctors during the patient care process, optimizing decision-making and reducing medical errors. Number 8. Proactive health management. Wearables and AI can monitor patient health data like vital signs and detect early warning signs of potential health issues. This enables preventative interventions and better management of chronic conditions. Number 9. Improved mental health support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual therapists can provide accessible mental health support, offering therapy sessions and helping people manage conditions like anxiety and depression. Number 10. Enhanced medical research. AI helps researchers analyze large data sets of medical information, uncovering new patterns and insights that accelerate research and improve our understanding of diseases. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.